At Springboro High School, there's one teacher who cooks for his students, but not everyone is holding out their plate trying to get seconds, for the meals that he makes are a little bit different. Now, who's hungry for some mealworms, super worms, and maybe some crickets? Right now, I have Luke Sandro with me this morning. Thanks a lot for joining me.
You're welcome.
I know this is weird, but I've been hearing this new craze that people have been eating bugs, so I want to know all about it. And what do you know? I just had to head down to Springboro for you to come in. What are we making this morning?
We're making some sauteed mealworms. So I'm crisping up some garlic right now in olive oil and butter, and we're about to throw the mealworms in.
And yeah, right now you can see these guys. They are crawling around in here. These are actually the super worms, as you had put it.
That's right.
And they were just fighting. They were spatting. It looks like you said that they might be eating each other.
I'm not sure.
I'm sure. Well, we're about to eat them. So what got you into this? That's the question. How did you do you know what? I'm going to try some of these worms.
I had a great entomology teacher, that's insect study, in graduate school, who basically did this for us in class and let us try it. And so I'm just kind of carrying the tradition on.
How would you describe the taste? I'm going to try one of these little crackers that has some, these are mealworms, right?
I hope you like garlic, because that's most of what you're going to taste.
Okay. Not too bad. Do you know what? Has a nice crunch to it. That's mainly the cracker, but all right, you talk. I have a full mouth. Tell me more about what we're doing here.
I've been cooking garlic in this olive oil and butter for about 10 minutes, and if you're ready, we can go ahead and dump these guys in.
Let's dump these guys in.
Okay. Here we go.
Do we do both? Should we do this together?
Let's do one at a time.
One at a time,
You
okay.
want to do it at the same time?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh man, they're freaking out. Now, usually
not for long.
When you get something, it is not going to be okay. That was a little frightening. I'm not going to lie at first.
It's kind of the big moment.
That was a big moment. I have to get some water to go along with this, but just here we go. That was a terrible idea. What was really the taste that goes along with this? That if you just ate one of these just by itself, or do you really have to saute it with the garlic to kind of drown out the flavor?
No, it doesn't taste bad. They really don't taste like much. Maybe a little nutty flavor. I tell you, if you want to try something new, this is a new recipe. I got some chipotle crispy crickets over there.
So some chipotle crispy crickets. So these and these ones are not alive anymore.
That's correct.
Okay.
Dry roast them for about an hour.
Those aren't too bad.
Yeah, crickets taste better. I think.
These are just like straight cricket bodies. Is what you're actually looking at. Oh wow, that has a really nice spice. Okay, legs are falling off of my hand. I hope you're not like eating along with me this morning. Oh wow, these are actually pretty good. Are you thinking about marketing these? Maybe you have, instead of sunflower seeds, you can have just dried crickets.
Sure, maybe.
I think this is a good idea. All right, well, hey, thanks a lot for coming in, and we will have the mealworm recipe on our website. That's fox45now.com. We have some pizza here as well that we're going to be sharing out in the studio. Luke, thank you so much for coming. I know you have your day off.
Thank you.
It's so cold. Those have some spice to them, I'm not going to lie.